usually use Paperpal whenever I'm working on a manuscript. It has a lot of useful suggestions, especially if you're not a native English speaker. I'm not, so there are some useful suggestions like the one over here I would accept, and I just generally go over all the suggestions and see which makes sense for my paper. I also really like the synonym feature, so you don't have to go to thesaurus anymore. Basically you highlight anything in the text, and then it gives you synonyms, and they are ranked by how often they occur in published science literature, which is actually really useful. So here another good synonym would be reduce. And a newer feature that I really like is the rewrite feature. So maybe you have some sentence that just doesn't sound quite like correct or good, so it helps you actually rewrite it in a better way, and if you don't like it, you can just ask it to rewrite again. So I think this is a really useful feature. And another thing I want to show what is super useful when you're working on a manuscript that has a specific word limit, like most do. You can actually go to trim text and then select whatever word count you need, and it will help you come up with like a more concise version of what you were writing. And I think it's super useful for manuscript writing.